What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to be covering what you need to know about Spot and Tango, including how their personalized dog food plans work, what makes their approach different, and whether it's actually a good fit for your dog's health and your daily routine. So as more pet owners start paying closer attention to ingredient quality and nutrition, traditional kibble doesn't always feel like the best option anymore. And that's where services like Spot and Tango come in, aiming to give you a more tailored, health-focused way to feed your dog without adding extra work on your end. Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything that we're covering. If you do use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. So Spot and Tango was built on the powerful idea that high-quality dog nutrition should be consistent and, above all, simple. Instead of the one-size-fits-all approach you're going to find in a grocery store aisle, they focus on meals customized specifically for your dog, and what really sets them apart is how they remove the guesswork. If you've ever stared at a feeding chart on the back of a bag and wondered if your dog counts as active or sedentary, you know the struggle. Spot and Tango handles the math for you by calculating the exact portions and delivering them ready to serve. The core of their brand is a commitment to human-grade ingredients, meaning you are seeing real meat and fresh vegetables rather than the meat meals or fillers that plague the industry. And if your goal is long-term health and avoiding artificial additives, well, this shift in philosophy, it's a huge breath of fresh air, because they aren't just selling dog food, they're selling a simplified health strategy. It's more about than just a meal, it's about a proactive approach to wellness that keeps your pup feeling their best for years to come. Now, to get started, it is very straightforward, but surprisingly precise. It all kicks off with their personalization quiz, which digs into details like weight, breed, age, activity level, and even specific health goals like improving coat shine or managing weight. And from that date, Spot and Tango calculates the exact calorie requirements that your dog needs every day. I love this because it solves the overfeeding problem that so many of us struggle with. They aren't just giving you a scoop, they're giving you a tailored caloric blueprint. Now, once your dog's profile is ready, they match them with the best recipes, factoring in any sensitivities or grain allergies right from the start. And once you are set up, you enter their flexible subscription model. It starts with a 2-week trial period, which is your chance to play detective. You can watch their energy levels, check their digestion, and see if they actually like it. After the trial, the automation kicks in, and you can choose to have food shipped every 2, 4, or 8 weeks. The flexibility here is great for busy households because you can adjust portions, swap recipes, or pause your subscription if you are heading out of town. And you're never locked into a plan that doesn't fit your life, which makes the whole experience much, less stressful than traditional subscriptions. Now, this is where Spot and Tango really separates itself from fresh food companies because you have 2 main paths to choose from. First, you have the fresh meal plans. These are gently cooked, whole ingredient meals that are frozen and shipped to your door. And if you want food that looks, smells, and feels like something you just made on your own stove, well, this is the gold standard for hydration and nutrient density. Then you have UnKibble, which is their shelf-stable option and a total game changer. It gives you the high quality of fresh food with the convenience of dry food. It doesn't need to be refrigerated, which is a big win if your freezer is already bursting at the seams. It is less processed than traditional kibble, but way easier to store than fresh frozen packs. You can also round out the experience with their snacks and supplements, which offer single ingredient treats and targeted support for things like joint health or anxiety. I want to nerd out for a second on the technology because Spot and Tango uses something called fresh dry technology. Most standard kibbles are made using extrusion, which involves incredibly high heat that can actually kill off a lot of the natural nutrients. Spot and Tango's process is much gentler, drying the food at lower temps to lock in nearly all of the original nutritional value. The result is better bioavailability, meaning your dog's body actually absorbs what it's eating. When you combine that with their portion control system, where you get a custom-sized scoop tailored to your dog's specific calorie needs, you've got a system that prevents both malnutrition and obesity. Plus, the transparency is top tier since every ingredient is sourced from the human food supply chain. Now let's get into the part everyone does ask about, the pricing. As of 2026, this remains a premium service, and the cost will vary on your dog's specific needs. Generally speaking, UnKibble is the more budget-friendly entry point, often starting around $1 per day for very small dogs, and for a small dog under 20 pounds, you're looking at roughly 85 cents to $1.10 per day for UnKibble, or about $1.50 to $2.50 for the fresh frozen plan. And if you do have a medium-sized dog up to 40 pounds, those costs shift to about $1.60 to $2 for UnKibble, and about $3.50 to $5 for fresh. And for the big dogs over 65 pounds, UnKibble averages $2.50 to $3.15 per day, while the fresh plans can go from $5 to over $7 depending on the recipe. The recipe choice also impacts the price, with options like turkey and red quinoa being more affordable compared to specialized choices like the lamb or the cod and the salmon recipe. And if you do have a massive dog and a full fresh plan feels like a stretch, a lot of people choose a topper plan, mixing UnKibble with their current food to get the health benefits at a lower price point. And what you're really paying for here isn't just the calories, it's the convenience of never running out, the quality of the ingredients, and the peace of mind that you aren't overfeeding your pet. Most people find the trial period is the best way to see the value firsthand, especially since they usually offer a significant discount on that first order. Now, when you switch to a high-quality diet like this, you do usually start seeing changes within the first month. The most immediate change is almost always better digestion. Because the food is significantly more digestible than store-bought kibble, you're going to see smaller, firmer, and more consistent stool, which is a sign their body is actually using the food rather than just passing fillers through. You'll also likely notice improvements in coat and skin health thanks to the omega fatty acids and the high-quality proteins. Many owners of older dogs even report a noticeable bump in energy and vitality. When they feel better, they move more. It's incredible to see a dog that used to be a bit sluggish suddenly find their puppy energy again just because they're getting real bioavailable fuel. Now, on the human side, the convenience of having pre-portioned food delivered to your door saves a massive amount of time and effort for busy households. You no longer have to worry about reading tiny labels or measuring out portions with a random cup. Everything is streamlined so you can focus on the fun parts of being a dog parent. Now, in the world of pet tech, you have a lot of options like the Farmer's Dog or Nom Nom, but Spot and Tango holds its own for a few specific reasons. The shelf-stable UnKibble is a lifesaver if you travel with your dog or you have a limited fridge space, which is an option many competitors just don't offer. And while fresh food is great, having a high-quality, non-refrigerated alternative means you don't have to compromise on quality when you're on the road or if your kitchen is tight on space. Now, they also have excellent sensitivity specialists, particularly with their cod and salmon recipe, which is one of the cleanest hypoallergenic options on the market. Even the custom scoop is a thoughtful touch that ensures you're hitting the exact calorie count much easier than eyeballing a portion out of a plastic bag. It's these little details, the scoop, the flexible shipping, the variety of texture that just makes Spot and Tango feel like a more holistic solution than a simple meal delivery service. Overall, Spot and Tango does an incredible job of balancing top-tier nutrition with real-world convenience. It is personalized, transparent, and flexible. While it definitely isn't the cheapest option on the shelf, the quality of the ingredients and the precision of the subscription make it a very strong choice for anyone looking to upgrade their dog's diet. If you are dealing with a picky eater, a sensitive stomach, or you're just tired of the mystery ingredients in standard kibble, this is a service worth considering. It takes the stress out of feeding and replaces it with a routine that you can actually feel good about. It's about investing in your dog's future, ensuring they have the energy and the health to be by your side for as long as possible. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And don't forget, you can find all the resources and links I talked about right below this video. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.